Have you ever wondered why electric cars in China cost as little as $5,000, while in the US, you're lucky to get one under $40K? Is it just quality or is something bigger going on? Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating battles in the auto world, China versus the USA in the electric vehicle game. And trust me, it's not just about price tags, it's about the future of global transportation. Let's start with a quick comparison. In China, you can buy a fully functional EV like the Wuling Mini for less than the price of a used iPhone. Meanwhile in the US, even the most affordable Teslas or Chevys will set you back tens of thousands. Why? First big reason, scale. China is producing EVs at insane volumes. When you build millions of something, each unit gets cheaper. Their factories are optimized, automated, and relentless. But there's more. China owns the EV supply chain. From lithium refining to battery production, it all happens locally. That slashes costs massively. In the US, materials travel across continents, every mile adds to the final price. Then there's government support. China has poured billions into EV infrastructure. We're talking subsidies, tax cuts, dedicated EV lanes. It's like they rolled out a red carpet for electric cars. Meanwhile in the US, the market leans premium. Think Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, sleek, fast, luxurious, and expensive. There's still a gap when it comes to practical, budget-friendly models for the average buyer. But here's the twist, tariffs. Even if Chinese EVs wanted to enter the US market, they face tariffs over 100%. That basically blocks them out. Protection or delay tactic? That's up for debate. And don't forget consumer preferences. In China, people love compact city EVs. In the US, we want bigger, stronger, longer-range cars. That difference shapes design, battery needs, and ultimately, cost. So what does this all mean? Right now, China is winning the EV affordability race. They've got the momentum, the volume, and the infrastructure. But the US isn't out of the game. New policies, domestic battery plants, and more budget models are on the way. The real question is, will the US catch up, or will China dominate the global EV market? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider a low-cost Chinese EV if it were available near you? Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world. The EV war is just getting started.